How to add people on Hunting Sniper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add other people or invite other people. First of all, open the application. Now, just below this profile picture, you can see this friends icon. Tap on it. So first, you must connect it with your Facebook. Tap on connect with Facebook. Again, tap on sign in with Facebook. Now, it will take some time. It will directly be connected with your Facebook. Now in your Facebook application, just tap on continue. So it will directly sync your Facebook application here. Now let's wait for some time. So after that, you can just invite your friends that are in the Facebook, and you can now you can even invite them through using other links. So here you can just invite other by tapping on this invite button, and you can share the link to whomever you want. So you can share it with other social media applications. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.